Today I will show you JL Audio JX4004D 4-channel car amplifier review video. If you want to enjoy raw audio, then JL JX4004D is your best shot. It includes a low-level input of 200 mV to 4 volts and a high-level input of 2.0 mV to 10.0 volts for input sensitivity. Additionally, you'll also get a powerful amplifier with a power rating of 4 ohms, 70 watts *4 chan, both of which will boost the system's efficiency and strength. A fuse plays a more significant role when there is a short-circuiting or an overload. That way, you'll require a fuse with a lower rating. JL Amp has a fuse rating of 40A*1, and it is easily replaceable in case of a short. The amp is easy to install as well, and you'll not be forced to adjust your budget because it is an affordable stereo. One of the critical features of any amp is the protection circuitry. This model includes a 3-way circuitry, which protects the system against overload and for the speaker short protection. That way, you shouldn't worry much about the effects of overheating. Besides, the JL Amp automatically shuts and restarts when it overheats. Pros: higher input sensitivity, thermal and overload protection, powerful and dependable, higher power rating, provides a better sound quality.